of the river stood running bear, young Indian brave. On the other side of the river stood his lovely Indian maid. The White Dove was her name, lovely sight to see. On the night the other love would never be. Running bear loved little white dove with a love as big as the sky. Running bear loved little white dove with a love that wouldn't die. Couldn't swim the aging river, 'cause his river, it was too wide. He didn't reach little white dove on the other side. In the moonlight you could see her kisses across the waves, and a heart faster there for the day. Running bear loved little white dove with a love that was big as the sky. Running bear loved little white dove with a love that wouldn't die. Running bear dove in the water. Little white dove did too. And they swam out to each other. Swirling, see they ran. As their hand touched, as their lips met, the raging river pulled them down. Now they'll always be together in that happy hunting ground. Running bear loved little white dove with a love as big as the sky. Running bear loved little white dove with a love